Today, we're going to continue talking about North Carolina and what makes up the Carolina regions. North Carolina has three regions, which we learned. In the green is the mountain regions. The Piedmont is in the light tan color, and the coastal plains. What region do we live in? Well, if you look closely, we live in Cabarrus, near between Cabarrus and Rowan County, which is in the tan colored region. First, let's look at the mountains. Our mountain region is part of a chain or range of mountains called the Appalachian Mountains. They stretch from Canada down to Alabama. Part of the mountains of North Carolina are known as the Blue Ridge Mountains. Can you tell why? Some things to see in the mountains include the Biltmore Estate, the Cherokee Indian Reservation. Mount Mitchell is the highest mountain on the East Coast. What do our mountains produce? Our mountain region is responsible for many visitors to our state every year for vacations, which include skiing, hiking, and camping. Our mountain region also grows Christmas trees and apples for sale. They are also a big supplier of trout fish. Now let's look at the Piedmont region. Our state capital is in the Piedmont region. Can you find it? What county is it in? Well, our capital is Raleigh, and it is in Wake County. There are 5 major cities in this region. They include Winston-Salem, Greensboro, Raleigh, Fayetteville, and Charlotte. What is produced in the Piedmont region? There are many major universities in the Piedmont region, like Duke, UNC, Wake Forest, and NC State. Many students from around the country come here to learn to be lawyers, doctors, surgeons, and scientists. Charlotte, North Carolina is home to a lot of banking businesses. Wells Fargo and Bank of America are 2 of the largest in the country. The Piedmont also produces dairy products like milk and cheese, as well as beef, turkey, eggs, corn, potatoes, and peanuts. Tobacco is also a large source of income for many farmers. Let's look at the coastal plains. The coastal plains are where our beaches are. There is also the Outer Banks, another popular vacation spot. This area is a lot flatter than the Piedmont as the land is sloping down to the ocean. What is produced along the coastal plain? There are still farms in the plains that grow many types of vegetables. What do you think is the other big product of the coast? Fishing. Fishing boats go out daily and bring in catches of shrimp, croaker, bluefish, flounder, spot, and weak fish. But what brings in the most money along the coast is the blue crab. In 2014, 23 million pounds of blue crab were caught and sold. The Port of Wilmington. The Port of Wilmington loads and unloads cargo ships coming and going to all parts of the world. Vacations. Many people also go to the coast to go on vacation. Myrtle Beach is a very popular destination for people all over the country and Canada. In Wilmington, you can visit the battleship North Carolina. The Outer Banks is also a popular fishing destination. Lighthouses. One of the most iconic images of North Carolina's coast are the many lighthouses that were built to protect ships from the hazards of the coast. Go ahead and go into your Google form to complete that goes along with our presentation from today.